Good morning. We'll continue with exercise 8.2, question number 1. Okay? It's still going on. The sum is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. We'll place the values. Values I have written here. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Right? I'll call this as, I'll make this sum as solution and then I'll place. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 is 2 by root 3 upon sec 30. Sec 30 is 2 upon root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Now we'll take the LCM. I'll take the LCM of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 minus 2 by root 3. What is the LCM of denominator? 2 into 1 into root 3 is 2 root 3. If this is 2 root 3, what will come here? What will come here? Right? It will come root 3 plus what will come here? 2 root 3 minus what will come here? 4 upon. Now we'll see the LCM of 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1. What is the LCM of root 3 into 2 into 1 is 2 root 3. What will come here? Root 3. Right? It will not be root 3. Right? This is 2 root 3. Here it will be 4. Here it will be root 3 and here it will be 2 root 3. This 2 root 3 gets cancelled is equal to, what is left? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 upon, this is root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 4. 4 I have taken here. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4 upon root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 plus 4. Now, what I will do? I will rationalize it. I will rationalize. So it becomes is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 4, because whenever we do rationalization, we take the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate means the middle term changes. Now I'll solve here, okay, because I don't have the place on the right hand side. We'll first multiply numerator into numerator. 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4 is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. We are multiplying numerator with numerator. So it is 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4 is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. And denominator in rationalization is always a square minus b square. So that becomes 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square is equal to. See the numerator. Numerator looks like the identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a here? 3 root 3. What is b? 4. So a square means 3 root 3 whole square minus 2ab means 2 into, what is a? 3 root 3 into b is 4 plus b square means 4 square. 3 root 3 square is, 3 root 3 square is how much? Let's see. 3 root 3 into 3 root 3. 3 3's is 9. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it is 27. Right? Minus 4 square is 16 is equal to 3 root 3 square is 27 minus 2 3's are 6. 6 4's are 24. 24 root 3 plus 4 square is 16 upon 27 minus 16 is 11. 11. Here I'll add the numbers. Okay. 27 plus 16 is 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. This is the answer of this sum. Question number 2 of exercise 8.2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. First sum is 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. And these are the options. Sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, sin 30. We'll solve and then we'll see which is the correct option. Okay? 2 tan 30 means 2 into, what is the value of tan 30? 1 upon root 3 upon. Straight away, okay, without writing I am taking the values. 2 into tan 30 means 1 by root 3 in upon 1 plus tan square 30 means 1 upon root 3 whole square, right, is equal to 2 ones are 2 upon root 3. 1 means 1 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 upon root 3 square is 3, right? I will solve here. Is equal to 2 upon root 3 upon, take the LCM of 1 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. What is the LCM? 3. Cross multiplication, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 ones are 1 is equal to 2 by root 3 upon 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 is equal to 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon 4, because this is division. If we convert division to multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal. We have to take the reciprocal. Now, I will solve here. I will divide this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what is left in the numerator? 3 in the numerator. 2 into root 3. 2 root 3, but denominator is irrational number. If it is irrational number, we have to rationalize. It becomes 3 upon 2 root 3 into, take only irrational number, right? Even if you want to take 2 root 3, still it is fine, but as root 3 is irrational number, rationalize only root 3. Keep 2 as it is. Then multiply numerator with numerator. 3 into root 3. 3 root 3. Denominator 2 root 3 into root 3. First you multiply root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6 is equal to. Divide this. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are is equal to root 3 by 2. But what is root 3 by 2 in terms of option? Root 3 by 2 is sin 60. Root 3 by 2 is sin 60. So the correct option is A, sin 60. Okay. I will write the second sum and I will solve it. Second is 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. And the options are A, tan 90, B, 1, C, sin 45, D, 0. I'll place the values. Okay. 1 minus tan 45 is how much? 1. So 1 tan square 45 is 1 square. 1 square means 1 upon 1 plus. Tan 45 is how much? 1. So tan square 45 means 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So D is the correct option. Now we'll see the third bit. Third is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to. Options are A 0, B 30, C 45, D 60. There is one identity for sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. This is the identity. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. So instead of sin 2a, I'll write 2 sin a cos a here in the original sum. So it becomes 2 sin a cos a is equal to, what is right hand side? 2 sin a. This 2 sin a gets cancelled because it is into, right? This goes in the denominator. So 2 sin a gets cancelled, right? This gets cancelled. What is left? Cos a is equal to 1. Cos a is equal to 1. Cos a is equal to, what is 1 in terms of cos? Remember, what is 1 in terms of cos? Cos 0. What is 1 in terms of cos? Cos 0. Value of cos 0 is 1. So here, what is left? A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 because this cos okay gets cancelled. So A is equal to 0. So sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to 0 is the correct option. Fourth is 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. The options are A cos 60, B sin 60, C tan 60 and D is sin 30. Okay, I'll place the values. Is equal to 2 tan 30 means 2 into tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 upon 1 means 1 by 1. Tan square 30 means 1 upon root 3 whole square is equal to 2 ones are 2 upon root 3 upon 1 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3 is equal to 2 upon root 3 upon, what is the LCM of 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3? 3. Right? Because 3 ones is 3. Do cross multiplication. 3 ones are 3 minus 1 ones are 1 is equal to 2 by root 3 upon 3 minus 1 2, right? Upon 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 into, this is division. Division becomes multiplication. So reciprocal is 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled is equal to 3 upon root 3. But this is irrational. 3 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Multiply numerator with numerator. 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 gets cancelled. What is left? Root 3. But what is root 3 in terms of option? Is it cos 60? No. Is it sin 60? No. Is it tan 60? Yes. Is equal to root 3 is tan 60. So C is the correct option. The next sum. If tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, where 0 is less than a plus b is less than 90 degree and a is greater than b, find a and b. First I will take the first part. Tan of a plus b is equal to root 3. Tan of a plus b is equal to, you have to write the value of root 3 in terms of tan. What is root 3 in terms of tan? Tan 60. Understood? Root 3 is tan 60. Tan gets cancelled, but you don't have to show the cancellation. Keep in mind in board exam also. In mind only, okay, you have to cancel it. Tan gets cancelled. What is left? A plus b is equal to 60. Equation number 1. Second bit is tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan of a minus b is equal to What is 1 by root 3 in terms of tan? Tan 30. Tan 30. Tan gets cancel. A minus B is equal to 30. Equation number 2. Then I will write here. Adding equation 1 and 2. We get. Write equations, okay? 1 and 2, one below the other. This is A minus B is equal to 30. This plus B and minus B gets cancel. Add this A plus A, 2A. 60 plus 30, 90. A is equal to 90 upon 2. A is equal to 45. We have got the value of A. Now place this value in equation number 1. Okay. Substitute A is equal to 45 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus B is equal to 60. What is A? 45 plus B is equal to 60. Right? So, what will be B? 15. How 15? This 45 comes on the right hand side. 60 minus 45 is equal to 15. So, the values of A and B are 45 and 15 respectively. The last question of exercise 8.2, that is true or false. State whether the following are true or false. And you have to justify your answer. If it is true, what is the reason? If it is false, what is the reason? Sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. Answer is false. Now why false? So we will come to know. I will take the values of A and B. Let A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 30. Right? Take it as degree. Take LHS. LHS is what? Sine of A plus B is equal to sine of 60 plus B is what? 30 is equal to sine 90. What is sine 90? 1. This is your LHS. Now I will take here RHS. RHS. RHS is what? Sine A plus sine B. Right? What is sine A? Sine 60 plus B is 30. What is value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. What is value of sine 30? 1 by 2. Take the LCM. LCM is 2. What will come in the numerator? Root 3 plus 1. Check what is LHS? 1. What is RHS? Root 3 plus 1 by 2. Are they equal? No. That is why sine of A plus B is not equal to sine of A plus sine of B. So I will write here. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is the justification for the reason false. Now we will see the second sum. Second, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Answer is true. Let's see how true. We'll take all the values, okay, from 0 to 90 of sine, okay, as sine 0 is equal to, or right, sine 0 is equal to, we can take 0, what we can take, okay, it is 0 only. Then sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, right? Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Here, okay, it is sine 45, okay, is equal to 1 by root 2, and sine 90 is equal to 1. First, we'll take the value of sine 0 as 0. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. After sine 30, take sine 45 as 1 by root 2. Then sine 60, root 3 by 2. Then sine 91. Okay? Since 0 is less than 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is less than what? 1 by root 2 is less than root 3 by 2 is less than 1. Okay? Hence, the value of theta, hence the value of theta increases as theta increases. Done. Third, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Let's see. Okay? Let cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay? So, hence 1 is greater than root 3 by 2 is greater than 1 by root 2 is greater than 1 by 2 is greater than 0. Therefore, the value of cos theta decreases as theta increases from 0 to 90. 1 is greater than root 3 by 2 is greater than 1 by root 2 is greater than 1 by 2 is greater than 0. So value of cos theta decreases, right? As theta increases from 0 to 90. So the statement is false. So the statement is false. Fourth is sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Let's see. Okay. But the answer is false. Answer is false. Why answer is false? Let's see. We'll take, okay, LHS. We'll take theta as sin 60. Okay. Instead of theta, we'll take it as sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Now we'll take RHS. Cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. We have taken for both 60 only. Sin 60 and for right hand side cos 60. But look at the value of sin 60. It is root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, sin theta is equal to cos theta. Okay? Is not equal for all values of theta. Cot A is not defined as A is equal to 0. Answer is true. Let's see what is the reason. We will take cot A is 0. So we will take cot 0. What is cot? Cos 0 upon sin 0. Right? What is the value of cos 0? 1. What is the value of cos 0? 1. What is the value of sin 0? 0. What is 1 by 0? Not defined. That is why cot A is not defined as A is equal to 0.